Here at MBBF 2018, CloudX was a huge theme, with some of the most innovative companies in gaming and content showcasing how the combination of 5G and cloud can transform their businesses.
5G really helps to lift the entire AR, VR case, not just from an industrial or enterprise wearable like this, but in a general case, because you have ubiquitous connectivity, fast and low latency, so information is being very quickly and readily processed. I believe, and we believe at RealWear, that this will raise the entire AR, VR industry.
We expect that AR and VR are really game changers, literally, in the gaming and content industries, especially when you look at AR, for instance, and at games like Pokemon Go. You can already see that this is going to be a success in the future as well, especially when you combine it with 5G infrastructure and maybe head-mounted devices such as Microsoft Holo-Light or Magic Leap. And I believe that in the future, the whole planet is going to be a playground.
Well, for us, AR has changed what we are about. So, as you know, we launched the first augmented reality game, Pokemon Go, which you could argue changed the landscape of gaming, and it actually changed the landscape of augmented reality. So it enabled people to go outside, explore, walk, lose weight, and have a much healthier experience.
So the cloud brings the possibility to not only tackle like the big players, but also the smaller ones who don't have the money to invest in the hardware and the huge upfront costs. So this brings up the possibility to tackle all sorts of businesses.
So what happened is, in order to do all of these wonderful things, we need a lot of rendering power. You know, it's 8K display, it's a very fast eye tracker, so we really need rendering power. Now at the cloud side, you have much stronger computational power, and so you can do a much better algorithm to bring people much better experience. Versus local, you're really limited by the computing power of a single PC.
Of course, none of these companies can deliver these innovations alone, and a strong partner ecosystem is vital to bring these products to market. We asked them who they're working with and what the advantages are.
For us, cloud technology, we are one of the biggest cloud gaming platform right now, and we want to know everything about 5G. Well, Huawei is the leader in this area, so when we are looking for partners in 5G, Huawei is our best choice. Also, Huawei is looking for cloud gaming partners. They found us. So it's a win-win case for us.
Huawei is a technology leader, you know, they're an innovator. So they bring very fast bandwidth, they have a low latency network, you know, they help the operator to build this wonderful 5G network. I think together with them, we can really bring more applications to the 5G network, right? So we're really creating the use cases which really can utilize the bandwidth, the latency. And I think Huawei is really behind the 5G network.
I think it's not just important, it's mandatory, because we are at the edge of a technological revolution and nobody can do it alone. So it is crucial to have partners like Huawei to help us build up the infrastructure, and these players, they just tackle both at the same time, the hardware side as well as the whole IT services behind it, like the cloud services and infrastructure.
Clearly the future is bright for technologies based on CloudX. For Mobile World Live, I'm Chris Donkin.